What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a video transparent in CapCut or how to change its opacity. So the first thing that we have to do is to get a video and drag it to the timeline. So if you want to make it transparent, what you need to do is first of all select it, then go to video and then blend, and we're gonna open the blend option. And now as you can see we have an opacity. If we decrease the opacity, as you can see now, our video is getting more transparent. Also, we can even remove all the video. This is just a little bit. As you can see, we changed the opacity so the video now is transparent and now it's normal. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.